Hello, in this tutorial I'll solve the missing wireless adapter in Windows 10 and other platform of Windows. So let's go through the video.
If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for all the latest updates.
Guys, before going through the video, I'll tell you something about this video. This video will help you solve the problem if you are using your internet by using Ethernet cable and you cannot use your Wi-Fi in your laptop, then only this video will help you solve this problem. So if you want to solve this problem, just follow me. Go to Google Chrome and search for drivereasy.com. You can see here. I'll give this link in the description. Okay, download it. I've already downloaded, so it is showing add duplicate. I'll download it. Okay, you can see here download is completed, and now I'll open it. I'll first install it and English. Next, choose Express. Install it. Okay, after installing you will find it in the desktop. You can see here. Open it. Scan. Okay, scan result has came, and those drivers are not up to date. You can see here airplane mode switch is not up to date, so it is showing update, and you have to find the wireless adapter driver. So just scroll down. This is for Bluetooth. You can see here those drivers are not up to date, and those 82 drivers are up to date. I am searching for a wireless adapter driver. Okay, you have to make this Microsoft kernel debug adapter network adapter driver up to date, and you can see here Microsoft Wi-Fi direct virtual adapter. You have to update this driver. You can see I have this driver up to date. If your wireless adapter is not showing, then surely you are not up to date in this driver. Just update this driver and you will find the Wi-Fi icon in your taskbar. So thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and keep supporting us. Thank you.